Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Snapchat device ban, which means if you try to log in into your Snapchat account on your device and you see this kind of error, oh no, your account has been temporarily locked, which means your account has been locked on Snapchat account on your device. Then how you can fix that? So the first step is to solve that problem is what you have to do. You have to simply grab a friend's phone number and you have to simply log in your account, and you have to check whether it is working on that friend's mobile or not. If it is working properly, then what you have to do is to do the next step, which is as that you have to simply open a browser, which may be Chrome. And here what you have to do, you have to simply search for Snapchat Sport. And here what you have to do, you have to simply look for Snapchat Sport, and you have to simply open the first link you will be shown. And here you have to simply search for locked account, so that uh, Snapchat Sport can help you in a better way. So here you have to click on my account is locked, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on my account has been temporarily locked, and here are the reason why your account has been locked. And if you still want to get more help, then you have to simply click on cross button, and you have to simply click on submit. And after that, if you do not find any kind of form here, then what you have to do, you have to simply go back and check for another option, which is you have to simply go to the home button. You have to simply click on my account is compromised, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply select any of the option available. Here you can see that my account was compromised, and if you have to simply provide the details here, which is as the username, email, mobile number. And here you have to simply provide the description here, which I have already copied, which has hello Snapchat team, my Snapchat account has been temporarily blocked on my device, kindly help me in this regard as soon as possible. And after that you will fill the captcha and submit that form to Instagram team, and within few days Snapchat team will connect to you and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.